Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust your notification settings on Nintendo Switch. So to do this you'll need to go to settings, and to do it you'll need to move your stick to the right like this till you highlight the system settings. Then press A and then move your stick down till you reach notifications. Now press your stick to the right again, and from here you can enable or disable notifications for finished downloads. It's enabled now it's disabled. Friend notification settings, which I'm gonna show you in another video. Alarm notification settings, which I'm gonna show you in another video. And notification sound. Enable it, now it's disabled, now it's enabled. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.